Let me show you all motions and gestures available on Xiaomi 17. So first of all, we need to go to settings, scroll down in here and go to additional settings, and all your motions and gestures can be found over here in the gesture shortcuts. So first of all, we have the option to enable or disable the digital assistant, or actually assign the digital assistant to the power button. So by default, of course, this option is enabled. You can press and hold the power button in order to activate Gemini or Google Assistant. Besides that, we have take a screenshot where we can slide 3 fingers down in order to capture a full screenshot. But what is quite interesting is that we also have the volume down plus power option, which we can deactivate. So by default, we can also use the power button and volume down button to capture a screenshot. And usually phones don't allow you to turn it off, but in this case, we do have that option. Then we have the partial screenshot, so we can press and hold 3 fingers on the screen and then select the area that we want to capture. There we go. Of course, we have additional options still available before you save your screenshot, so make sure to check them out if you want to do that. We have launch camera shortcut, so when it's enabled, you can double press the power button in order to quickly activate the camera. And we can do the same thing with the flashlight. So we can choose one or the other if you wish to quickly toggle the flashlight or quickly launch the camera. We can also find the power off settings, and this is actually the power menu, not completely shut down of the phone. By default, we use the power and volume up button. We need to press both of these buttons at the same time in order to activate the power menu, but we can switch this to press and hold the power button instead. And by default, we have 3 seconds. We need to hold for 3 seconds, the power button, of course, in order to activate the power menu. But if we turn off the digital assistant in here, then it switches to half a second instead. So you can, of course, customize that. And there is also back tap gesture. So we can double back tap or triple back tap in order to activate something or use something. We can actually choose from this list whatever should happen when you double tap or triple tap at the back of the phone. And that is pretty much it. These are all the gestures that we have available on the Xiaomi 17. Leave a like and subscribe.